Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a very quick chai latte. So if you like your lattes, your chai lattes from Starbucks, then this would be perfect, especially during quarantine when you don't want to go out as much. So just follow the recipe. It's pretty easy. I'm going to start with the Oregon chai. You can buy this one, or you can buy the Tazo one from Starbucks. I wasn't able to buy that one just because they only had the decaf, and I kind of wanted something that was still caffeinated, so that's what I bought. I also placed some ice in a 16-ounce cup, and this is also a 1-to-1 ratio. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll be putting in about a half a cup of the chai, and this is concentrated. It smells really strong. So I'll place that in first, and then I'm using almond milk for the other half. Okay, and one last ingredient, which I don't think you would think of using, but I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of French vanilla. It can be less if you don't want it as sweet. Oops, I spilled a bit. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so now you're just gonna mix that up. And you have your iced vanilla chai latte. It's so good. Just know that once you do this, you're not gonna want to go anywhere else to get it. And it's a lot cheaper for you to do it at home. Alright guys, so I will leave you here. Let me know how you liked it, if you tried it. And I can't wait to hear from you guys. See ya!